Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 10 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you how to commission your DT-10 diagnostic tester from TWIN BUSCH. There's a practical case which carries all parts included in the delivery. Make sure all parts are included using the packing list. You'll find the manual in the bag with the cables. Read it carefully before the commissioning. Here we see the main cable, as well as the included adapters. The main element is the tablet. Push the power button on the upper right corner to turn on the tablet. The registration process starts automatically after starting up for the first time. You have to register online for the commissioning. The tablet must be connected to the internet via Wi-Fi for this. This is necessary to get updates. Then we can begin with the registration. Type in your email address and press send confirmation code afterwards. Check your email and enter the confirmation code. Enter a secure password then and confirm it. Accept the privacy policy and then press register. Register your product now. The next step is checking if there are updates available. On the lower left we see how many updates are available. Let's start updating. It's possible for the program to shut down while updating. In this case, open the program again by pressing the icon, and then carry on with the updates. It may take a moment for the program to open after a program update. After that we will enter our information in my account. And then we will enter the information of our workshop in test history. When you choose diagnostic, the red arrows will indicate when new updates are available. Always download the available updates to keep your tester up to date.